there a test available to evaluate stomach acid?
Yeah, the gold standard is the Heidelberg test, and you can go online to Heidelberg. I think it might be Heidelberg dot something. I don't know what.
Yeah.
Um, and and offices have this test. Um, we did have a machine at NUNM. I don't think we have one anymore. Sorry, that's the college university where I teach here in Portland. Um, Dr. Rabar has one down in LA. So anyway, you can, look at their site and they show you doctors that do the test. So it's not maybe it's not the easiest thing if one's not nearby you, but that's it's an excellent test. I've sent people for it a lot and it is illuminating because not always when you think someone has low stomach acid do they, and not always when you think they have high do they. The symptoms are the same for low and high actually. So there also used to be a test called the gastric string test or the string test. And last I had checked, that was no longer available, but that was like a little capsule with a string in it. You pull some of the string out, hold it in your teeth, swallow the capsule, or, hold the string. So you can it's a little weird. You can kind of feel the string a little bit in your throat, but the string is only as long as it lets it go into your stomach. And it has a pH, ability to monitor. You pull the string back out, which is, seems a little strange, but you don't feel it much. And then you can see by the coloring whether there was acid there or not. The advantage of the Heidelberg test, by the way, is that it can be done as a functional test, because if you just test what is the acid level on resting, that could be helpful, like if there's not much or if there's tons. But what we really need to see is when eating, can you make hydrochloric acid? Like, will you have enough can you acidify when you're eating? And most people who run the Heidelberg test run it as a functional test. They check the level and then they have you drink a little baking soda and watch, because the message is sent out to like a computer from the pill you've swallowed from the Heidelberg, which is not on a string. And they see, can you reacidify now that you've had some baking soda? And that's what we really want to see.